Today we're upgrading our old hallway light and installing a sleek little wall light. This is an oil-rubbed bronze finish wall light from VIFEEY. It comes shipped nicely right to your door with everything you need to install and get things running. It comes with the manual, the light fixture, it comes with wire nuts and mounting plate, as well as a clear glass shade. That's it. Just unscrew the cap from the fixture, slide on the glass shade, put the cap back on, then it's assembled. Now I personally think the glass looks really sleek against this metal base. It's a lot cleaner than my last one, that's for sure. Installation is easy as well. Turn off your power and access your electrical box. Pull the wires through and screw down the mounting plate. Make sure that's secure and grab your light. It's time for some wiring. Connect the black with the black wire, the white with the white, and the ground with the ground. Tuck your cables away and slide your light onto the mounting plate. Tighten down your screw caps and grab your glass shade. Secure that down and put in your light bulb of choice. Now since it's in our hallway, we're putting a color changing bulb in it. And I've got to say, now that the power's back on, I really like the way that it looks. The colored reflections on the glass looks really cool and it gives off a nice light. This wall light is so clean looking and a lot more modern than my old light. You can even install it up or down to fit your needs. It's technically a bathroom light that comes in 1 to 3 lights, but the singular light was so small and sleek that I thought it'd make a perfect replacement for my hallway light, and I couldn't be happier. If you'd like to get your own, please use our affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go check out my paintings under my cool new hallway light. See ya!